Looking for the best VPN deal in 2025? If you've been searching for Surfshark coupon codes, VPN discounts, or even the biggest Surfshark coupon code, you're in the right place. I'll answer the top questions people ask about Surfshark coupons, and I'll show you exactly how to save. Click the link in the top of the description, or simply scan the QR code on screen to grab the deal while watching. What is a Surfshark VPN coupon code? It's a discount code you can apply when signing up for Surfshark, one of the top VPNs for privacy, security, and streaming Netflix. Using a coupon code makes Surfshark one of the most affordable, best VPNs out there. How can you use a Surfshark coupon code? When you go to the Surfshark site or app, just choose your plan and enter the coupon at checkout. Instantly, the price drops. It's that simple. No complicated steps, just copy, paste, and save. How do you apply a coupon in the Surfshark app? Select your plan, look for the promo code box, enter the code, and the discount shows right away. Sometimes you'll even see up to 89% off with bonus free months. Don't forget, the latest coupon is linked in the description and shown as a QR code you can scan anytime. How do you get a Surfshark coupon code in 2025? The safest way is through Surfshark's official site or trusted partners. No need to waste time on fake codes. I've placed the updated coupon link right below this video so you can grab the real deal. With the best Surfshark coupon code, you unlock unlimited device connections, built-in antivirus, and VPN Netflix streaming worldwide. That's why in so many Surfshark reviews, it's rated one of the best VPNs for both price and features. So don't wait. Click the link in the description or scan the QR code now to claim your Surfshark deal and start browsing securely with the best VPN offer today.